Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to change decimals into fractions. So our first example, here we have a decimal. We're going to look at how we write this as a fraction. The first thing we do is we write the digits from after the decimal in the numerator. So the digits after the decimal here, excluding the 0, are 4, 3. So we write those in the numerator. And in the denominator, we write the number 1, followed by as many zeros as there are after the decimal point. So what that means is as many zeros as there are numbers after the decimal point. So there is 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal point. So we write 3 zeros. So let's go over that again. For 0.043, in the numerator, we write 4, 3. We write the digits from after the decimal. In the denominator, we write 1, and we write 3 zeros because there is 3 numbers after our decimal point. Let's look at the next example, 0.82. So in our numerator, we write 82. In our denominator, we write 1, followed by 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? Because there is 2 numbers after the decimal point. With this example here, let's look at 82 over 100. Remember, in previous videos we talked about how answers should always be written, or fractions should always be written in simplest form. 2 goes into both of these numbers. So 2 goes into 82 41 times, 2 goes into 100 50 times. So, 50, not 500. So we need to do that extra step. We need to make sure we write our answer in simplest form. Got 3 more for us to try. 0.25. So if we've got 0.25, we write the 25 in the numerator. We write a 1, followed by 2 zeros because there's 1, 2 numbers after the decimal point. One extra step in this one because we can simplify it. 25 goes into itself once, and 25 goes into 100 4 times. So that's our answer in simplest form. The next one, 1.342. We write our 1 there. That's our whole number. We write 342, the numbers after the decimal point, in the numerator. We write a 1, followed by 1, 2, 3 zeros, because there is 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal point. Again, we need to simplify this down. We have our 1, 2 goes into 342 171 times, and 2 goes into 1,500 times. Okay, our last example, negative 0.8. Alright, we write down our negative. 8 goes on the top, because that is the digit after the decimal point. We put down a 1 followed by 1 zero, as there is only 1 number after the decimal point. Again, we can simplify this, putting down our negative, and then we say 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So going over that again, we'll just go over one of them again. 0.043, we write down 4, 3, the digits after the decimal in the numerator. We're not needing to write the 0 in front there because 043 is just 43. And then in the denominator we write down a 1 followed by 3 zeros because there are 3 numbers after the decimal point.